Hey, it's Kamori, and today's video was initially going to be a 2017 recap slash 2018 New Year's resolutions slash goals, and then a bunch of stuff ended up happening. So we're going to change the topic a little bit, and we're going to talk about YouTube demonetization. As I'm sure you've seen from other YouTube creators on social media, on news sites, pretty much all over the internet, people are talking about the fact that as of February 20th, YouTube is going to be changing the requirements for entering their YouTube partner program, and a lot of people who were initially in the program are going to be terminated from that program when the new guidelines come into effect. And this channel is one of the channels that is on the smaller side, so it will be terminated from the program. And since a lot of people have been talking about it, I just wanted to make a video to say what that means for you as a viewer slash subscriber, whatever you want, of the channel. And honestly, the TLDR version is that not anything's going to change. I still am going to be making videos. One of my goals for 2018 was to have this be a daily upload cosplay channel, and that is still something that I'm going to be striving for in the new year. Have a bunch of projects planned. We're getting ready for KatsuCon, so hope to film a couple things there. And yeah, so things really aren't going to be changing on this channel, but I did want to take a moment to talk about things that you can do if you want to support a small creator on YouTube. And I don't necessarily mean this for myself, just any small creator on YouTube, whether they cosplay or not. If you want to show a bit of appreciation for them, definitely go to their channel and like, comment, subscribe, all the usual things, because the new program guidelines require 1,000 subscribers within the past 12 months and also 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. If there is a content creator that you really like, consider subscribing and also consider rewatching some of their older videos to bring up that watch time. Because it's primarily framed as demonetization, money is something that is mentioned in a lot of the commentary regarding this program change. So if they are a creator that has a Patreon, a Ko-fi, a Twitch, you can consider subscribing there or pledging whatever the program offers. And also if they have any sort of merch, whether it is t-shirts or ebooks, physical items, consider purchasing that. Even if you are not in a position where you can provide any sort of monetary support, that is 100% okay. You can also share their work so that others learn about it. I actually have to send out a huge thank you to Tenlaid, I hope I'm saying that correctly, who very kindly shared this channel on Twitter, and I know a lot of you who recently came on their behalf, so thank you very much for that. You can also share their work on, say, other channels or other social media like Instagram. You can do a shout out, or Twitter, Facebook, whatever, so that if you have a friend that you think, oh, this channel about, I don't know, a channel about food, and your friend is a really big foodie, you can mention that to them, like, hey, this is a small YouTube channel, but I think you should check it out. And even if you are very private and don't like talking about the things that you're interested on social media, even just commenting on a creator's channel and being like, hey, I like the thing that you do, can really brighten their day. So I hope this video gave a little bit of perspective on where this channel is going. It's not going anywhere. And thank you so much for your support so far on this channel, and I will see you in another video. Bye.